This is the last day of Vlogmas. This is December 24th. Today is Merry Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. Not Merry Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve.
Hispanic celebrate.
Yeah, but I'm not Hispanic.
Yes, like, you are.
Yeah, you're right, because I'm called Poppy. You feel me?
This is so sweet.
Yeah, so our neighbors got us a gift.
Just was that in the front door?
Yeah, it was at our front door.
Ooh, he's singing his life out.
We got some nice neighbors in over in this neighborhood. Hell, if this was rainy neighborhood, they would have called the police. For today's vlog, I don't know what's gonna happen in today's vlog, so stay tuned. But this morning we stayed in bed until it's now 3 o'clock. We stayed in bed all day we watched some garbage Christmas movie that we thought would be good because it had dogs in it.
12 Pups?
Yeah, 12 Pups was the movie. I highly recommend do not watching that movie. That shit is cheesy, horrible acting. I could have got paid to act in that, John. You feel me? Yeah, now we're on the way to pick up my niece, and then from there, like my girl said, they celebrate Christmas today, so we're gonna stop by her parents' house or her dad's house later on. And then tonight we're gonna go to my house to do my family tradition where we all my mom's kids and a niece and nephews, we all go to my mom's place and we just spend Christmas Eve and Christmas morning together, and then from there, do what you gotta do, pimp. We were in the bed today and we're watching some of my old videos, and it's crazy how my vlog game came. Bro, my vlogs back in 2017, 2016 was lit. I just had garbage ass audio, but the vlogs was, bro, it was booming back then. It's crazy to see how far I've come in such a short time in my eyes, but it's been well over 10 years in the making for all this stuff. But 2022 seems very promising, man. Very promising, and I'm glad that I'm able to do what I still do. It's a beautiful thing, man. Live out your dreams, kids, or at least try to. Sometimes your dreams is not in your destiny, but hey, try your best to do it anyway, right?
We got Papa Duke's ATV, so we're gonna surprise him. Right, babe?
Huh?
Tell the vlog what you're doing.
I look skinny, don't I? Yeah.
You look good.
Thanks, boo.
You wanna?
Just got, baby girl got her pops a TV. And she was also gonna give me Spider-Man Morales, but I'm gonna just order it on PSN store because it's digital.
Hold on. You should have put this here, and then I'll help you pull it in.
Oh shit, same thing happened last time.
Huh?
Oh, there we go.
No, you just
Perfect.
have to. That's a nice car.
Your clothes?
Yeah. That's a nice car. Leave me the drumstick. Oh. Yes. Whoa. Damn, you hear the crunch in it. You ate my drumstick? A fried chicken video. Whoa. Eat the meat.
Lava.
Look at them lips. They're nice and wet.
Lava.
Look what my mom did to my room, bruh. She turning it around. She turning it around. Dog, I used to edit on this computer. Oh, that was crazy, dog. But doggy, I used to edit on this computer, my jeez. That's coming up next, baby.
And I'm matching.
You and grandma matching? Y'all fresh. I got you the greatest gift of your life.
What is it?
You don't even know. You will never guess what it is. But you are welcome. Don't do that.
He thought the same thing.
Don't do that, man. For real. He's a jolly good Negro. He's a jolly good Negro. He's a jolly good Negro.
What are you doing, babe?
Making a milkshake.
Look at that ass.
Guess what?
That.
Come on, bruh. Stop, man. That's right. That's right, buddy. Vibes. Straight vibes.
These are vibes.
That's the rubber bands.
Those are not vibes.
Yes, they are.
Huh? This is my daughter who ain't my daughter. Ain't it, Jazz?
Until she starts throwing shoes at you.
So we got the room set up. You feel me? Ooh, this not mine. This is Justice on. And we got this girl.
Hello. Hello.
What's up to the vlog? It's Vlogmas. Well, I ain't uploading today. I'm uploading. What'd you step on? What'd you step? Oh, there it is. You okay? You not okay? All right, I'm sorry. Bro, that new Battlefield over there look mighty good. I'm talking about them butt cheeks.
When you posting this?
Tomorrow.
Hashtag this nigga lying, your honor. Hashtag I don't believe these niggas. Hashtag don't let a nigga pray for these niggas, God.
Fuck!
1 p.m. go for it.
Fuck!
Delivery and checkout.
What kind of chopper is that?
There's a moment when you realize
Fuck!
you're ready
Fuck! My bullets go fuck!
muffin recipe and think,
My bullets go fuck!
or maybe you're helping a coworker and say, I could teach your course on that.
Playing some cards against humanity.
Alright. Dead parents. Why I had to get one that say dead parents?
Those are the cards you read when you get the question.
It's not funny.
What? Why is mommy crying? That's it.
Oh, Daddy! That one that we did. Why is mommy crying?
This is because
Being fat and stupid. A sad hand job.
Oh my god.
Jerking off into a pool of children's tears.
Oh my god.
Pooping back and forth forever. And 3 penises at the same time.
Oh my god.
It's now Christmas morning, so Merry Christmas, putos. Today you watching this video should be Christmas. The end of Vlogmas. Rise and shine, baby puto.
Who are you fighting?
Oh Lord, who are you fighting in your sleep? Who got you those?
It said that it's alright. That shit hurting.
So let's continue the Christmas festivities. We are now on the way to Randy's house, drop off gifts for his children. So that's what we going on to do right now. You hear me?
I knew daily, man.
My boy got a new daily, boy.
Daily.
Yeah.
Everywhere 2022, man.
2022,
Oh,
man.
man.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Dog, that is the cleanest CR. Never mind. Shit. So we are back home from running from Ray's house, my mom's house, her dad's house. Now we're at our house. My mom got me a Bose speaker. Nephew got baby girl a thing for her facials and stuff. Sophie, like, here we go. I got, yeah, Randy family hooked it up. Got us, dang, you got what?
YSL.
Damn.
Oh, this wasn't yours?
I got that,
Where'd
bro.
you wear
This right here. They gave us that. Randy's mom gave us
Where's your
that.
hat?
At my mom's house.
Oh.
I never brought it. Got that polo, and then baby girl got me a MacBook Pro. Excited about this thing right here. I can edit on the go. Oh yeah. I treated myself to a PS5 this year. I deserved it. Okay. I worked my ass off this year, especially for Vlogmas. That check gonna look nice, bruh. Yeah. Woo! Whoop, whoop. MacBook is now almost ready. I got a cover over, so that's why you don't see the keyboard lit up. But it's pretty cool though. A little cover. Nice. Protects your keyboard. Watch me end up taking it off. But MacBook is being set up. Shout out to the homie Fred. Got that Final Cut for the Freezies. My dog Freddy Bun Bread. Now we're about to play some Spider-Man for a few. Gaming channel. Psych. I should turn my other channel to a gaming channel. But I don't know. I'm gonna start streaming and stuff. I think that'd be pretty cool to do.
His best friend Buster. Full story. Buster is only a few months older than Sparkle, so I don't really understand that.
Today is the 27th of December. I haven't uploaded in like 3 days, and that's for great measure. I was supposed to upload Christmas Day. That was ruined. Not ruined, but like it was Christmas. Yesterday. What did we do yesterday?
Nothing, really.
For real?
We just had a couple intervention.
Oh! Yeah, yesterday was a no-go. Today, at 8 o'clock p.m., I'm now finishing up this video. I'm about to start editing, close out this video. There probably won't be another video until maybe like January 2nd or 3rd. I have no idea. I'm gonna take a couple days off still, and then I will, you know, get back to pledging allegiance to the bag early January. You feel me? I've been buying things for the PS5. I got a new controller, the black one. I got Hitman 3. I got the Grand Theft Auto Trilogy Definitive Edition. I got Vanguard. I got Spider-Man. I bought the black skin thing, so I'm customizing my life, my playstyle. I'm thinking about buying a monitor, a gaming monitor that supports up to 120 frames per second, so I can have like a little gaming setup. I want to start doing Twitch stuff like I used to do, and I think that'd be really cool and exciting. Something new on the channel, more ways to pledge allegiance to the bag. You feel me? But yeah, I'm in the video here, so I can go watch. What's that movie called? Don't Look Up. Yeah, I'm gonna go see that movie. And I got my soup here. Oh, shout out to the government for getting everybody sick. Yeah, population control. Everybody just randomly sick. Come on, nah, right. Oh, we're gonna not monetize this video because you spewing it. But thank y'all for watching. I hope you guys had a fantastic holiday this holiday season. Hope you guys are in great spirits, healthy, you're happy. My nails are beautiful. Ooh, look at that. Look at the ice, bro. Look at the clear coat gloss, gang. Oh, look at that ramen, my boy. But that is it for this vlog and Vlogmas and this year as a whole. This year was a great year. That's it. See you later, kids. I am out. Peace.